I'm so excited because I love the snow. I'm gonna carry on with the siding of on the front of this solar kiln today, and it's snowing. So I'm just super duper excited because I love the snow. Winter's coming, my favorite time of the year. Not just because of good old Santa Claus, but I like doing a bunch of stuff outside. I like building stuff outside. I like building stuff outside, and I like building stuff outside, especially in the winter. I don't know why. Seems like it would be miserable. I'm so at home right now. I just might just let the snow and the wind blow through my hair, my eyebrows, and just take it all in. What a beautiful day today. My favorite time of the year. It makes hot chocolate taste better. It makes mom's cooking taste better. She didn't hear that, so I guess it's not as funny as if she would have heard it. We got some super duper snowflakes happening here. This ain't no Hollywood set, folks. These are real snowflakes. This is the real deal. Isn't it fantastic? What a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. I should probably get back to work. I had a different project that Mom and I were working on. Just built a little casement for a crawl space window so we can insulate that, keep the cold out of the bottom of the house. But now it's time to get back to work here in the snow. And just like that, winter came and went. There must really be something to this global warming thing. Well, time for summer. Welcome back. Who's almost got a solar kiln? This guy does.